Pangong Tso, Tibetan for long, narrow, enchanted lake, also referred to as Pangong Lake, is an endorheic lake in the Himalayas situated at a height of about 4,350 m. It is 134 kilometers long and extends from India to Tibet. Approximately 60% of the length of the lake lies in Tibet. The lake is 5 kilometers wide at its broadest point. Altogether it covers 604 kilometers too. During winter the lake freezes completely, despite being saline water. It is not part of Indus River Basin area and geographically a separate landlocked river basin. The lake is in the process of being identified under the Ramsar Convention as a wetland of international importance. This will be the first transboundary wetland in South Asia under the convention. Sino-Indian border dispute. Pangong Tso is in disputed territory. The line of actual control passes through the lake. A section of the lake approximately 20 kilometers east from the line of actual control is controlled by China but claimed by India. The eastern end of the lake is in Tibet. After the mid-19th century, Pangong Tso was at the southern end of the so-called Johnson Line, an early attempt at demarcation between India and China in the Aksai-Chin region. The Kurnak Fort lies on the northern bank of the lake, halfway of Pangong Tso. The Chinese has controlled the Kurnak Fort area since 1952. To the south is the smaller Pangong Tso Lake. On October 20, 1962, Pangong Tso saw military action during the Sino-Indian War, successful for the People's Liberation Army. Pangong Tso is still a delicate border point along the line of actual control. Incursions from Chinese side are common. Flora, fauna and geography. The brackish water of the lake has very low microvegetation. Guides report that there are no fish or other aquatic life in the lake, except for some small crustaceans. On the other hand, visitors see numerous ducks and gulls over and on the lake surface. There are some species of scrub and perennial herbs that grow in the marshes around the lake. The lake acts as an important breeding ground for a variety of birds including a number of migratory birds. During summer, the bow-headed goose and Brahmini ducks are commonly seen here. The region around the lake supports a number of species of wildlife including the kiang and the marmot. Formerly, Pangong Tso had an outlet to Shyok River, a tributary of Indus River, but it was closed off due to natural damming. Two streams feed the lake from the Indian side, forming marshes and wetlands at the edges. Strand lines above current lake level reveal a 5 m thick layer of mud and laminated sand, suggesting the lake has shrunken recently in geological scale. Access: Pangong Tso can be reached in a 5-hour drive from Leh, most of it on a rough and dramatic mountain road. The road crosses the villages of Shea and Gya and traverses the Changla Pass, where army sentries and a small tea house greet visitors. Road down from Changla Pass leads through Tangst and other smaller villages, crossing river called Pagal Nala or the Crazy Stream. The spectacular lakeside is open during the tourist season, from May to September. An inner line permit is required to visit the lake as it lies on the Sino-Indian line of actual control. While Indian nationals can obtain individual permits, others must have group permits accompanied by an accredited guide. The tourist office in Leh issues the permits for a small fee. For security reasons, India does not permit boating. In film, Indian filmmaker Mani Raishnam's Dil Se in the song Satrangi re-starring Shah Rukh Khan and Manisha Koirala. Featured as a filming location in the fall. Some parts of the 2008 film, Heroes. Climax scene of the 2009 film, Three Idiots. Parts of the 2012 film Jab Tak Hai Jaan, in particular, Anushka Sharma's bikini scene was shot here. Actor Shah Rukh Khan's second film was recorded here. Divya Khosla Kumar 2016 Hindi film Sanam Re, Sara Sara song from Shakti. Subalje song from Waqt, The Race Against Time. Pure K Salsal song from Nurjan Kabes. Dil Tera Ho Gaya song from Tau Mitrandi. Dil Hera song from Tashan starring Saif Ali Khan and Karyana Kapoor, Baneri song from the movie Fugly, Belpurai song from Uragadu starring Mahesh Babu and Tamanwa. Gallery. See also, Tsumorari, Shuma, Chepsi, Rudok. National Large Solar Telescope, one of the world's largest solar telescope proposed to be built near Pangong Tso, Soda Lake. References. External links.